Hey everyone, welcome to Nathan Health and Fitness. Imagine being able to lift heavier, move faster, and dominate your fitness goals like never before. That's why in today's video, I'm going to show you the 6 powerhouse exercises that will unlock crazy strength gains. Trust me, you won't miss the last exercise because it's a total game changer for building explosive power and athleticism. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. And if you haven't checked out our previous videos yet, make sure to visit the channel and watch them. Now let's dive straight into the video. So let's get started. Number 1, weighted lunges. Weighted lunges are a powerhouse for lower body strength and balance. This compound exercise primarily targets the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, while also engaging your core to maintain stability. Lunges mimic natural movements, making them highly functional for sports and daily activities. They're particularly effective for building unilateral strength, which ensures both legs get equal attention, reducing the risk of imbalances that can lead to injury. By increasing the range of motion, lunges also enhance flexibility and mobility, which are crucial for athletic performance and overall health. To perform the exercise, hold dumbbells in each hand or place a barbell on your shoulders for added resistance. Step forward with one leg, keeping your torso upright, and lower your body until your back knee is just above the ground. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position and alternate legs with control to maintain balance and avoid strain. Number 2, overhead press. The overhead press is a foundational movement for building raw upper body power. It primarily strengthens the shoulders, triceps, and upper chest, but also activates the core and stabilizing muscles in the upper back. This exercise is essential for improving vertical pushing strength, which carries over to other pressing exercises like bench presses and push-ups. It also improves shoulder stability and mobility, reducing the risk of injury during other upper body movements. To do the overhead press correctly, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and hold a barbell or dumbbells at shoulder level with your palms facing forward. Engage your core, press the weight directly overhead until your arms are fully extended, and avoid leaning back. Slowly lower the weight to the starting position to maintain control and protect your shoulders. Number 3, deadlift. The deadlift is the gold standard for full body strength and functionality. It targets the posterior chain, including your hamstrings, glutes, lower back, and traps, while also challenging your grip strength and core stability. This exercise not only builds brute strength, but also enhances posture and reduces the risk of lower back pain by strengthening the muscles that support the spine. Deadlifts mimic real-life lifting movements, making them incredibly practical for everyday tasks. To execute the deadlift, position your feet hip-width apart and grip the barbell with your hands just outside your knees. Keep your back straight, shoulders back, and core tight as you hinge at the hips to lift the bar. Drive through your heels to stand upright, keeping the barbell close to your body, and lower it back down with control. Number 4, dips. Dips are a fantastic compound movement that develops upper body pushing strength, focusing on the triceps, chest, and shoulders. They're highly versatile. You can modify them for beginners or add weight to challenge advanced lifters. Besides building strength, dips enhance shoulder stability and flexibility, which are essential for pressing exercises and overhead movements. To do dips, start on parallel bars with your arms fully extended and your body upright. Lower yourself by bending your elbows until your upper arms are parallel to the ground, keeping your elbows close to your sides. Push back up until your arms are fully extended. Add a weighted belt if you need more resistance. Number 5, chin-ups. Chin-ups are a quintessential upper body exercise that builds incredible pulling strength. They target your lats, biceps, and forearms while also engaging your core and stabilizers. Chin-ups are especially effective for developing grip strength, which is crucial for deadlifts and other pulling exercises. This movement not only builds strength, but also improves your posture by strengthening the muscles in your upper back. To perform the chin-up, grip the bar with your palms facing you, slightly narrower than shoulder width apart. Engage your core, pull your chest toward the bar by driving your elbows down and back, and control your descent to maximize muscle engagement. Avoid swinging or kipping to keep the movement strict and effective. Number 6, clean and jerk. The clean and jerk is a total body powerhouse exercise that combines strength, power, and athleticism. This Olympic lift works your legs, back, shoulders, arms, and core in one fluid motion. It improves coordination, explosive power, and overall strength, making it a favorite among athletes. The clean phase develops pulling power and upper back strength, while the jerk phase builds overhead, pressing strength and stability. Mastering this lift enhances your ability to perform other compound movements effectively. To perform the exercise, start with a barbell on the floor, feet shoulder width apart, and grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width. Pull the barbell explosively to your shoulders in one motion, then dip slightly and drive it overhead. Focus on form and control, starting with lighter weights before progressing to heavier loads. Bonus workout plan. Since you've stayed with me this far, here's a bonus workout plan to help you reach your strength goals even faster. For a balanced strength routine, train 3 to 4 days a week with a focus on both upper and lower body exercises. Day 1. Target lower body strength with deadlifts, 4 sets of 5 reps, and weighted lunges, 4 sets of 5 reps, 10 reps per leg. Day 2. Hit the upper body with overhead presses, 4 sets of 8 reps, and dips, 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Take a rest day, then on. Day 3. Work on full body strength and power with clean and jerk, 5 sets of 3 reps, and chin-ups, 4 sets of maximum reps, weighted if possible. Prioritize progressive overload by gradually increasing weight or reps and ensure proper recovery through nutrition, hydration, and sleep. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.